Improvement Hub makes school improvement planning easier and more effective than ever before. It can handle any type of school plan. Simply create a new task with the touch of a button. We'll customize the platform so that it has exactly the right options for your school. We'll even add your existing plans for free, so you won't lose any time making the switch. Improvement Hub makes it easier than ever before for staff and key stakeholders to work together. Every user has their own tailored dashboard showing progress across all the key areas. And whenever you want, you can print out your plans as professional branded documents. Improvement Hub integrates seamlessly with Inspection Coach, our Ofsted self-evaluation tool. Bringing self-evaluation and improvement planning under one roof is the most effective way to get your school to where you want it to be in the shortest time possible. We're 2Simple, and we specialize in supplying primary schools with the very best digital resources. Over 10,000 UK schools already trust us to support them, and we'd love to help support you too.